So today I'm going to make a very simple video about how you can take out the FPC connector without expensive equipment like that. All you need is your hot air station. The temperature can be calibrated according to the model of the hot air station. It doesn't matter if you're using like 320, 350 degrees Celsius and you're using the airflow of 20, 40 like that. It just depends on the environment. So what you have to do first, you have to practice to get the temperature straight of your equipment. Okay, so right now I'm gonna melt uh, solder paste here. This is just so that I don't bend the FPC connector. So what you want to do, you want to check the temperature. So right now I'm going to, let's check. I'm using like a very cheap hot air station. I'm not sure how long will it take for me to fully remove this. Okay, so maybe we can even set the timer like that. I can set the timer just to check how much time does it take me to remove this. So I'm going to be like setting a timer of start. So I want to see how many seconds it takes for me to remove FPC. So we can start right now. The reason why I'm not using the heat tape to cover the surrounding components is because already I mastered my hot air. I know I won't burn or damage any of the FPC right here or any of the neighboring components. So you just have to be like very careful with your stuff. Normally within just 1 minute I know I can take it off. First time you can practice to do this on your iCloud log device. Okay, so that's how you remove an FPC connector without damaging it. So it's completely up to you after taking it off whether you want to weld these pads or not. Well, in my case, I absolutely love to wick the pads and then put the fresh new solder so that the pad is going to make a very stable connection. So cheap hot air station is not a very good advice, because you almost take something like 1 minute just to remove the PC connector, while on good air stations you can take about 12 seconds, 30 seconds, like that. So it's not a very good choice, especially when you are beginning. So beginning on very great tools will enhance this experience to not be much more pathetical, because bad tools, they make a very bad experience. Okay everyone, that was it for how you can remove the FPC connector nicely on your iPhone without damaging it. So just make sure that you don't practice on customers' phones. You practice on iCloud locked iPhones. You remove it, you put it back, and then you see it work, and then you remove it again, you put it back, you see it work, you take another phone, until now your hand is used to this kind of job. Okay, thank you for watching everyone. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to share this video with your friends who it might be helpful to. Thank you.